Hello and welcome back to this video series lecture. So in this video lecture, we are going to introduce you with the inheritance concept. So what is basically inheritance? We already learned the classes and the object. So inheritance basically is acquiring some of the properties from the one class to the another class. So now in this mechanism, a one class is serving or sharing its properties to the another class. So now that class which is going to share its properties or some data to the another class, that class is known as the parent class. It's going to serve the another class, and that the class which is being served is known as the derived class. So there are another name also given to these constructs like parent class, base class, super class. Right? So these are the name given to them. So now let's take an example for the inheritance. Now, when you are, taking your course in your university, so several teachers are going to teach you different subject. So what you are doing? You are doing inheriting some of the knowledge from one teacher and another teacher. There are plenty of teachers available in your institute. So that is the main concept. Your teacher is sharing a knowledge with you, and similarly, you are acquiring some another, personality or another traits from your family, from your social gatherings. Fine. So you are inheriting all the things from your surroundings. So this is the concept of inheritance. Okay, so now let's discuss the type of inheritance. So first inheritance is single inheritance, in which we are having a one source class, and there is one another class which is having access to some of the properties of that source class or a base class. Now let's discuss the second type of inheritance, that is multiple inheritance. And there is one class which is going to access the properties from two classes. So that is your multiple inheritance. And the third is a multi-level inheritance. In the multi-level inheritance, the hierarchy would be like uh, the destination class, which is going to access some of the properties from the source class, just like a single inheritance. But here we have an add-on that that base class is again having some access or dependent upon some another base class. So in this, we are having a hierarchy. Not a hierarchy means we are having a levels. Now the fourth type of inheritance is that is a hierarchical inheritance. In a hierarchical, just like any organization have some hierarchy in which one is the boss and rest are the subordinates. So in that particular case, we are having a one parent class or a source class, and we are having a two derived classes. So that kind of inheritance is known as hierarchical inheritance. Now this is basically four type of the core inheritance types, and now the fifth one, that is hybrid inheritance. It may be the combination of any of these four inheritance. Right? So this is all about the inheritance. In later on lectures, we are going to learn that how to implement these inheritance or type of inheritance in a C++ program. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will have an update regarding my latest videos. Thank you.